Hello friends. So today I'm going to explain you about AWS security group. So I can say security group it's a virtual firewall. So like it's a communication over the particular port. So if you need any traffic, enable traffic, then through a security group you can do that one. Okay. So let me log into the console, AWS console. Okay, so you can see this is my AWS console, AWS dashboard. So you can see this instance is running like okay, and I can in this instance it's my HTTPD service is running. So like port 80 is open. So let me show you. Yeah, you can see this is the background knowledge it's showing here. So it means my port 80 is open. So let me show you that one also. Like you can see, it's for this instance for like security group. If you go to the security group option here, you can see this. But this security group is assigned for this instance. Okay. So let me give the tag here. Okay. So now you can see for this security group, if you want to check that inbound rule, so you can click here. You can see now here, now two like port 80 and 22. This is the inbound two role is open for this particular security group. 480 is for HTTPD and 22 for the if you want to SSH, you so need 22 port need to open. If you want to check the like outbound rule, so you can see it's open all. So let me go to the security group options. So yeah, you can see here it's saying a security group. Let me open in this new page. So through security group, like suppose if you want to block particular IP. So through security group, you cannot do. In a security group, you cannot block any specific in like any individual port. If you want to block, then you have to use NAC, like network access controller. Through security group, we not able to do that one. Okay, so let me delete all those, this one rule, like security groups I created. So if you want to delete the security group, you have to select and then go to the action option and then say, delete the security group. If you're telling yes, it's for confirmation. Now you can see security group is deleted. So this security group is attached, right? So let me select here. If you go to the here inbound, let me little bit big one. Yeah. So if you go to the inbound, you can see HTTP port 80 that IPv4. This is open and for this one for IPv6 and this one is for the for the 22 port 22. So suppose if I go and remove this port 80, this one, and then if you want to save, then you will see that my web page will not work. You can see it's taking after some second it will be timeout. So I will show you this one. Let me close this one because it's searching. So, but it's port is 80 is not open. Like HTTP is not open. So like you can see now this site cannot be reachable. Timeout. So yeah. So let me add again. Let put go to add button and then here HTTPD and then like port 80 and this was by default 00 and like 00 I already mentioned, right? This it's open for the whole world. Let me save this one. If you save again, if you go here and if you refresh your page, so you can see it's again came. Like immediately, reflecting. I can say immediately if you and doing any changing in a security group, immediately reflecting. No. So okay. So look, let me go to the outbound. So if you go to the outbound, if you delete, this one, like let me delete this one, nothing will happen. So I will show you here. Nothing will happen. Still, it will work. You know. Okay. So this is the security. This is the security group in AWS. Like you can see, it's nothing is happening. It still is working. So if we are, like creating when inbound, rule, the automatically outbound rule automatically is created, right? So that I will explain you more in a VPC when we will do the VPC lab. Then that time we will explain you. Okay. So let me go to the now exam session. So I will give the exam tips. So in exam tips for the security group, all outbound traffic is allowed. All inbound traffic is a block by default. So you have to remember this thing. And then multiple EC2 instance with a SG. Yeah. So like, multiple EC. So multiple EC2 instance within a SG, like in a one security group, you can create multiple instance, and in a one instance you can attach multiple security group. So let me show you that one. If you go to here, so this is the instance. And you can see this default and this is the three. So I'm going to attach this default security group in this my app instance. So you have to select here. As of now, you can see it's showing only the launch wizard 3 security group, right? So go to this action button, and then here you go to the networking, and then go to the change group setting, and then you have to select here the default and then assign. Now you can see here. Now if you go to security group, you can see it's a default and launch wizard 3. So two security groups here, right? So like that, like you can multiple security group you assign in a single instance. You cannot block any particular IP address using the security group. I said, right? So if you want, then you have to use NAC, like network access control. So I hope you like this video. So thanks for watching. Please subscribe my channel, like and comment. Thank you.